Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia. This is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Excuse me, I'm looking a little rough around the edges tonight. You know, it is 12 o'clock, just about. Looks like it's about 3 minutes before midnight. But I just wanted to come on here real quick because I wanted to show you that I made some cutouts. I have it's, that's supposed to be an I. It's a boy. And I'm going to put these letters inside of dun, 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 dun. This is what I did. Let me step back a little. This is what I did with the honeycomb. And I just want to show you real quick. This is definitely the finishing touches of the honeycomb. I used yellow tissue paper to put behind this honeycomb frame, and inside the cone I'll be putting "It's a Boy" somewhere. You know, I don't know how. Depends if it's held. You know, if I put it this way, if it's displayed this way, if it's displayed this way. I'm not sure yet which way it'll be displayed. It depends on how the setup looks, you know, as we go along with the decorations. Yeah, so that's what I did, guys. I just wanted to come on real quick and show you the what I've done with the honeycomb frame and display piece for the backdrop. And yep, and so that was it. Real quick, impromptu, nothing long and draw it out tonight. So if you guys like what I've been doing so far with my decorations and my African statuettes or whatever, you know, make a comment below. Let me know what you think. And, you know, if you want to challenge me to do something within my realm here, I will gladly take that challenge on. Also, I would like for you to like this video and any of the other videos you might see, and share this video and any of the other videos. Give a hit that bell, notification bell, so that each time I upload a new video, you'll get that notification. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Yes, and I appreciate your views. I really do. I'm surprised that I have, at this time, I believe it said I have 270 something views. So I appreciate your views, guys. Thank you so much. Start putting some comments down to go with those views. I greatly appreciate that, and thank you for those of you who have subscribed to my channel. I have 6 subscribers so far, and I'm fine with that. Somebody's watching me, somebody's listening to me, and I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you again, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.